Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Dennis the National. So I'm going to show you around this road called Kippande Road. It has been recently recarpeted by the NMS, and actually NMS has done a lot of works on this road. As you can see, it currently looks amazing. Also, this estate looks amazing. I think it is part of Westlands. It's also located south of Ngara West, so this road connects all the way from Uhuru Highway on the other side of Westlands and connects all the way to Globe Roundabout. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you people are happy that our streets start to look like this because of NMS. I hope you people enjoy this type of videos. Whenever there is a positive development about Kenya and Africa, I am always happy about it because I know it will change the lives of many people. I am thankful also guys for your support and watching my videos. If you are new, please be sure to subscribe. These are the type of content I like to do. Also, don't forget to like this video. That will help me a lot, so like the video. Otherwise, enjoy the views. I'm going to walk all the way to Globe Roundabout. You'll see how much it has changed. The place looks nice. It was way dirtier before, but right now you will see, as you will see in this video, NMS has employed people who sweep the roads, clean the streets, and clog the gutters. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. Also, you get to see the Nairobi River and parts of the Nairobi downtown. So don't skip the video. Watch till the end. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you.